Hi, Deadlock's here again, and today we're going to see if the HIATT in 1970 can beat the beef.
I reckon that, I don't know how to say this without getting it wrong. I reckon the beef will open it. So take that information and do what you please with it. But that's what I think's gonna happen.
I neglected to bring the cupcake.
Well, that wasn't very intelligent.
But there is the double lock on. As usual, I ain't tried this yet.
You never try anything. Beep-a-doo-doo.
That's the double lock off. Really, my go-to thing would be to try and shim from here. But today I'll try and pick first, just out of curiosity. Oh. Wow, I almost had it, but then the beef bent.
Oh no.
Shim works fine. That's all from us. See you next time.
Bye. And this one you need a lot of tension for. Oh, I thought you just unlocked it there.
I think I'm...
You haven't broke, have you?
Oh no!
What have you done?